Do you have a unit that has major odor problems? Are you smelling urine from a pet, or maybe it was a heavy cigarette smoker, and even after you've turned over the unit, there's a lot of residual odor left behind? I'm running around a lot today because we're getting a lot of requests lately for our odor control services, and I kind of want to just explain the differences for educational purposes for the property managers because we tackle these in different ways. So if you have an odor that's caused by like a food source, say a heavy curry odor that's traveled throughout the unit, you've already painted the unit, and then it still smells like curry in the unit. Something like this, generally when you paint, you would want to seal the walls with a primer, do the paint service, but if there's still an odor afterwards, we offer what's called a thermofog. And this is where we come in and we fog the entire unit, and it leaves a thin layer of an odor barrier along with a fresh new scent within the unit. This also works for heavy cigarette smokers or anything that travels through the air, so something that would be circulated throughout the unit. On the other side, this gets confused, and sometimes we get people that schedule for a thermofog, and what they actually need is pet treatments. So sometimes there's some issues where the pet has been, using the bathroom on the carpet, and even after we've cleaned and treated everything, there's still some residual odor because this is down into the padding and sometimes all the way down into the subfloor. In these scenarios, it may need to be replaced, but there are options to salvage it and to salvage the carpet if the pet urine is isolated to a specific area of the unit. This is usually animals going in one corner of the home or in the apartment home. We can do what's called a pet decontamination if it's an isolated area. We can treat the top and the back of the carpeting, replace the padding, seal the subfloors, replace any tack strip that's affected by the urine, and that should resolve the problem as long as there's not major staining on top of the carpet. So there are different ways to tackle different types of odor issues within a unit. If you need any support with this, reach out to Refresh, 234 apartment turn. So it's 234 APT turn. Just give us a call. We can come out and we can take a look and try to determine the source for you. Thanks, and hope you're having a good day.